While Squarespace doesn't have an autosave feature at this time, there are a few ways to recover lost content and reduce the risk of losing content in the future. If you deleted a page within the last 30 days, restore it from Deleted Pages at the bottom of the Pages panel. If you're looking for a blog post, check the Deleted Posts section at the bottom of the blog page's post list. If you switch templates and are missing pages and other content, they may be in the Not Linked section of the Pages panel. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.